This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Kuwait. First, visit the official PayPal website to begin your registration process. Click the Sign Up button and choose between a personal or business account, depending on your individual needs. You will input your mobile phone number, email address, and create a strong, secure password. Then, you will receive a verification code via text message to confirm your identity and secure your new account efficiently. After successfully creating your account, the next crucial step is linking your bank account or credit card. Navigate to the Wallet section within your PayPal dashboard for this process. Select the option to link a new bank account or a debit or credit card, then provide the required details, including your card number or bank account information and the SWIFT code for transfers. PayPal will then initiate a small, refundable deposit to verify your account ownership, which typically takes a few business days. Sending money is straightforward once your account is fully set up and verified. Simply click Send and Request, then enter the recipient's email address or mobile number and the specific amount you wish to transfer. For receiving funds, you just provide your PayPal-linked email address to the person sending you money. Be aware that certain transactions, particularly international transfers or business payments, may involve a small service fee. Always double-check the currency and recipient details before confirming any transaction to ensure accuracy. Utilizing PayPal for online shopping offers an extra layer of security and convenience for you. When checking out on supported websites, choose PayPal as your payment method to complete the purchase without directly sharing your sensitive financial details with the merchant. Always use strong, unique passwords for your account and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Additionally, regularly review your transaction history to spot any unusual activity. PayPal provides a safe and efficient way to manage your online finances and shopping experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.